Right opposite is actually the main Penang police station. It's changed quite a lot through the years, but it's still here. Alright, so I think we just passed Kimberley Street. Now I also have to test how the audio quality is like pointing the other way, so just give me a second. Let's turn this mic around. Look at that market. So let's go down here because it's quite a lot of people and it's very noisy, and test out how the audio quality is like. And then in between, I'm going to remove the Saramonic mic and see how the onboard mic works in this environment. Also, it'd be good to see how the Action 3 handles the video quality, since this is a new camera to me as well. Oh, lots of activities here. Getting ready for Chinese New Year. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna switch over to the onboard mic in 1, 2, 3. So now we are back to the onboard mic. Let's head right back out to Penang Road. So right now, you can see this shop is especially very popular. Some tourists here as well. Buying some, yeah, candies, childhood candies. Look at this shop. As I was saying, so at the end of the day, because of the new badge and from the video reviews I saw on YouTube, it looks very good. So I traded in my Action 2 to get this, and pretty happy about it so far. I haven't really tested it out yet, which I'm doing right now. Alright, so we're just actually walking one round around the block to test this new Saramonic mic, -6 decibels, sorry, and HDR video mode on the Action 3. The video quality should be okay from the tiny screen. The audio, not so sure. Maybe I'll just walk to the new food court up ahead. Not to say new, popular food court up ahead. Boy, is it hard here today in Penang. So, this is fully, this is quite extended in terms of the tripod mount or the stick. So how's the audio quality like from this distance? If it's on the Action 3 directly, you probably won't hear much, unfortunately. That's my hotel behind me. Ooh, nearly tripped. Cool.